Hey everyone, and welcome to today's upload. It is clearly sponsored, as you guys can see, by G4FREE. They have sent me some items to share with you all. But I wanted to share with you guys what it is I actually got. And the links for these items will be in my description box down below. So in the first one, I have G4FREE running shorts for women. These are great for the summer. They're very trendy, casual, high-waisted workout shorts that are very comfy. They're ribbed, lounge, active shorts. And so I'm going to let you guys know the sizes that I got for myself, because I would love for you guys to see. Not everybody's going to have the same, fit, but at least you guys will have some type of idea. So this is the packaging here. G4FREE, your well-being starts here. Here's the description of what it is. The color, I got hot pink and a size large. So as you guys can see, these are the shorts. These are the shorts here. I'm going to open it up and show you guys the front. The front has the two pockets. And oh, this is just nice. Like the top part, and here's what it looks like at the bottom. If you turn it around on the back, this is what it looks like. I'm actually going to show you guys a picture here of what they look like on me. So G4FREE was established in 2014. It provides innovative, lightweight sportswear and outdoor accessories for all adventure and wellness seekers. We believe your journey to well-being starts here. And in this bag here, I have two items. The first item that you guys see here is the shirt to match the shorts. So these are the G4FREE Slim Fit Athletic Shirt. This shirt is a crew neck cropped tee, athletic yoga, spring, summer stretchy tee that I got in hot pink and a size large as well. So really cute little bags that it comes in until you're able to take it out of the packaging for yourself. So here it is. I have the whole outfit to put together in hot pink and in size large. The next item that I have here is a G4FREE pair of shorts in the color black, size large. Basically the same as the pink ones, just in black. So something that will go with every and any outfit this summer. I just went ahead and got the black ones in a size large as well. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and open up this box here. All right, so in this box, there are some really nice items. Looks like I have two items. So with this, I end up getting a casual chest bag. This one is a fashionable chest bag that you guys can easily carry around with you while going places. So when you take it out the package, it looks like this. This is just like a little sling bag that you easily could toss over your shoulder, wear like this, and not have to worry about too much like literally of having a purse or anything else. It also has this so that you can keep it together, and this is not like just flapping around at you. And it also has like different little pockets. So I'll show you guys those. In the back of it, it has a zipper right here that you guys could put some things into. It also comes with two side pockets that you guys could put like a water bottle into, and also drawstring it closely, like to be tight. It also has a pouch in the front that you could slide some things in, and then drawstring it close so that, you know, like, you know, you hold on to stuff. When you open this up, you not only have like a little spot you can slide something in the back, but you also have a slot in the front of it. And then you also have like all of this space here. Last but not least, I have a G4FREE 35-liter travel day pack, waterproof hiking backpack for camping, outdoors, sports, men, women, and this is in the color peacock blue. When you guys open this up, I'm going to show you exactly how big it is. I think that this would definitely be great for anyone that goes like to the gym, hiking, camping, etc. Because of the size. This one is great as well, especially for like those hikes in the woods or just walking and getting out. So here is the backpack, the peacock blue. You either have the option to like carry it like this and button it so that you can carry it like a carry-on instead of like having to put it on your back, but you also can put it on your back. You also have the option to put it on your back, just like this, and close it so that everything is always with you. On the side, you guys can see that there's a water bottle spot right there. There's also the option of one on this side. When you actually look at the front of this backpack, you have some options of putting things down in the front part right here, right? You also have the option of putting some things down into this part right here, which gives you a couple different compartments, like putting a laptop or anything else in here. And then also it definitely is like a lot of room, especially like if you want to use this as an overnight bag. So yeah, really, really cute bag. Like I said, every link that you guys see, all of the links will be in my description box down below. All of these items are really great. I love each and every one of them. Thank you so much to G4FREE for sending me these items and allowing me to do this unboxing and review video with everyone, not only to show like the, you know, fitness, sports clothing, but as well as the backpacks and gear. So please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and also look in my description box for those links.